New tonight, Hennepin Healthcare workers fired for improperly accessing George Floyd's medical records. Now Floyd's family says that they are weighing their legal options. Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Kelsey Carlson.
And I'm Randy Meyer. Fox 9 has learned 13 Hennepin Healthcare employees have been fired for their actions.
And Fox 9's Sarah Danek is live outside HCMC in Minneapolis tonight. And Sarah, these were not people who should have been looking at Floyd's medical records.
Yeah, exactly. We have learned that some of the employees who accessed those records weren't even here at this hospital campus where George Floyd was brought. We've also learned that Mr. Floyd's family is looking at all of their options now.
On Memorial Day, when George Floyd was brought to the emergency room of Hennepin Healthcare, he was listed under a pseudonym, Bronze Tennessee, something that is done in high-profile cases to conceal a patient's identity. A source with direct knowledge tells Fox 9 Hennepin Healthcare performed an audit and discovered that a total of 18 people accessed Floyd's private health information under the name Bronze Tennessee. The internal investigation found 5 of those cases were legitimate medical reasons, but 13 of those employees, which includes 3 nurses, a lab technician, a social worker, and a paramedic, have been fired by Hennepin Healthcare. Because it was a violation of HIPAA, the federal healthcare privacy law, the hospital was required to contact Floyd's next of kin. Lawyers representing the Floyd family say they were recently made aware of a data breach of George Floyd's confidential information, and that the letter from Hennepin Healthcare noted breaches of Floyd's data over multiple dates. It went on to say the employees involved were no longer with the organization. The lawyers say they're not sure what type of information was accessed and that their team is exploring all options. At this time, it is still unclear when the employees looked up the record or if they even knew it was George Floyd's records. A Hennepin Healthcare spokesperson tells Fox 9 they are not commenting on any specific cases, but says it is routine to conduct privacy access audits and that any access to electronic medical records in their system is tracked and logged. If a breach of patient confidentiality is discovered, it is investigated, and disciplinary action can include termination.
And those Hennepin Healthcare employees who were fired might seek still a grievance and arbitration. We are live tonight in Minneapolis. Sarah Danek, Fox 9.